guys, welcome to Brand New Life. I'm James.
I'm Delisa, and this is Jada B.
Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. I have a special unboxing. We got some EG4 LifePower4 second edition batteries, LifePower batteries. So I'm getting ready to unbox them and get ready to hook them up. So I decided to bring you guys along to share it with me. So let me get this turned around and we can go to work. Okay, this is one of the boxes, and that's the other one. So let's see what we got going on here. Let's see what we got going on. Yeah, wifey would be in here. She would be in here helping me. At least hold the camera, but she's a little bit under the weather. So we're trying to get her well. Okay. Yeah, we went to what's the name of it? I'm trying to think of the name of it. Singular Solar. We went to their warehouse and everything and picked it up in Sulphur Springs, Texas. So that was pretty cool. Quality control. This is the battery right here. Let's get it. I'm gonna set the camera down. Okay, guys, we got it out of the plastic. Okay, it comes with quite a few little things. We have the quick start guide. I did a little research on these, and so we have the quick start guide, which it looks pretty detailed. It looks pretty detailed, so that's pretty good. Okay, so we have that. Okay, and these right here, I have two of them. So these are like jumpers to wear them in parallel. So I wear these in parallel, and then this is the communication. This is the communication cable, and what it'll do is it'll go from this one of these comes to the battery com of the secondary battery, whichever one I make the primary. Okay, and then to make this the primary, I'll have to bring this here, the dipstick, I have to bring that one down and these up, or one of them down. We're making this here number one and bring the other ones up, and then I'll have to set the other battery different from this here so that it can be recognized. It comes with this breaker so that you can turn it off and on. I'll jump for my parallel from this to another one, and then the battery, this will go to the inverter. Okay, it's got an off and on switch. Oh, and this CAN bus right here is for communication. That's a communication cable. So I run that to my Victron inverter, and it'll also be ran from the inverter to my color control and my BMV battery monitor and everything, so that everything can communicate together. This right here, this here LCD right here, that's a port for you to put an exterior monitor on there if you choose to do so. Reset button, alarm, run, state of charge indicator, off and on button, handles that you can, once you move it, using this to hold it because it weighs 100 pounds. It's quite heavy. Then you can take this and put it to the side to move it out the way. For those that like to go inside, it's got easy access with these screws to take it apart. And then this here is the quality control inspection checklist. So they are really serious about these batteries, and they supposedly some of the best batteries on the market. And I'm not getting paid for this, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. So what I'm going to do now is to start preparing the place where I'm going to put them, and I'll get back with you guys shortly. Oh yes, this is a 24 volt 200 amp hour 5,120 watt hour battery. So it's pretty decent, and the pricing on them is really good. If you bought Battleborn or something like that, 12 volts, you'd have to buy 2 of them if you have a 24 volt system, and that would cost you about $2,000 better. And this right here is barely over $1,000, and it's a 24 volt battery, lithium-ion battery. So with that said, let me go ahead and start getting things together so I can hook this baby up. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, this is what I'm getting ready to show you right here is that, okay, these are the cables to run it in parallel. So what I'm going to do is, it's hard to do this by myself. I'm used to having baby with me. But this is, I'm going to hook this one up because the way that I'm doing it, I'm going to have to hook it up. You know, they're going to face each other basically inside some boxes that are designed for it. Well, it wasn't designed for it. I was going to use it to put shoes in. But now that I have these, it's a perfect place for these. So this is the negative one. Let me get this together. Okay, so this one will go there. I'll have to tighten them up, torque them, and everything. And then this will come and connect to the battery across from it. Connect to the battery. And then this will run to the inverter, and this will run to the inverter. Okay, so here is the other box. Guys, this is James with Brand New Life. I'm back. I noticed that these cables here are going to be a little too short. So what I'm going to end up doing is using my cables that I use on my AGM batteries. They're the same size and everything. I'm going to use, except they're longer. So I'm going to use these to make sure that I can reach the other battery from the setup that I'm putting them in. Okay, so that's what I'm getting ready to do now, is take these off and put these up. So I'll talk to you in a minute. Okay guys, this is James, I'm back. This is where I'm going to put my batteries. The other one is going over here, and then I have to run it to my solar, to my Victron inverter. It's in the back. That cable that you see right here is hooked up to the inverter. So I just have to bring it in and hook it to that one, and bring the red one up here and hook it to this one. And I got my dip switches set, so after I get it hooked up, we're gonna see what we got. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Guys, this is James with Brand New Life. This is where I have my batteries. Only thing I have left to do now is hook them up to the inverter. It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna have to finish that up tomorrow. But so far, this is what I have. That's gonna give me 10,000 and some odd watts of power. So we'll see once I get it all hooked up to the inverter and everything, see how it works. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life. As you can see, I have the batteries where they're going. They're hooked up and they're running the lights and everything. So far so good. I just have to get another component where I'll be able to read them. So I got to get a Servo GX because it's not reading my color code is not reading it. So I have to get that component. So I'll be getting that pretty soon here. But so far so good. It was pretty easy hookup. It's pretty easy hookup, and you know, you just have to jump black to black, red to red if you're running them in parallel, and then you put your negative on one end, and then you put your positive on another end of that battery, and what that does is it stops it from draining one battery first and all of that. So it equally distributes how it depletes the batteries. So and I'll give you a little bit more information once I get everything hooked up the way that I wanted and get everything working right. I'll give you a little walkthrough on it. But so far so good. It's running everything. It's running the microwave, and I got a big microwave, and it's running the mini split, no problem. The mini split is going right now. It's been running all day, and I ran off of shore power all day, and it ended up with 25.65 charge, something like that. But it lasts a long time, and it's doing good. I got it plugged up to shore power right now, which I didn't have to because it still had like 25 some odd volts left on it. But I went on and plugged it in anyway just to make it through the night. So with that said, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, this is James with Brand New Life, and our color control that goes to the solar array that we had, it went out, so we ordered another one. I'm getting ready to unbox it, and right now we're out camping. So let me get you some. As you know, there she is. You're not gonna see me without her hardly, and wifey, she's inside. So this is where we're located right now. So we're in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and so I just picked this up, and wifey, she's in there asleep, and I've been sitting out here enjoying this weather with my little old chair. So what I'm gonna do is pop this open. It's the Victron Econo GX, and let's see here. So I had to get that and a couple of different cables to go along with it. That's paperwork. Okay, let's get everything out of here. Okay, this here is an RJ45 cable. I got that and then found some inside, so I have an extra one. It helps everything communicate. This right here is, I broke my other one. This right here is an interface MK3 VE Buster USB. I had to get a new one of those so that I can you hook it to the computer and program, and it helps you program your inverter and everything. Okay, let me see now. This is a job trying to do this. My wife, she didn't feel like coming out and getting the footage. So let's get this bad boy opened up here. This is what I've been waiting on, man. This is the template. This is the template that you go by to cut your hole out to insert the Chrono GX. Okay. This is the wire that provides power. These are the different screws for using this right here to hold it into the wall once you put it into a hole, if you want to put it in that way. Let's see what else is in here. These right here are spring-loaded clips that go on the back so that you don't have to use that. I'll probably use these. Right here, these are known as CAN bus terminators. Usually you have to put one in on one side of the CAN bus, and then you put your cable from your battery to that. I hope that there's plastic over there because it looks scarred up. Okay, that looks scratched up big time. So hopefully you can see it. So I hope that there's plastic that's over there, because if not, I'm sending this back. Nah, it's plastic. Yay! Because, let me make sure, because I was thinking that this was definitely, yes, plastic. Yes, I was definitely thinking that's going back. But this is the Chrono GX. This is what lets every component in your solar array communicate with each other. So this is the unboxing, and so I'm going to go ahead and get everything prepared to hook up. I have to cut out a spot for it and get it ready to go in, and I'll get back with you when I do that. So I'll talk to you guys later.